What's up, pals? Your random pal here, coming to you live on the scene from downtown Louisville. I'm near the 2nd Street Bridge. I'm actually on the wharf. You can see the boats behind me. Bell Louisville's back that way. But let me flip this camera around. This is the 2nd Street Bridge. And as you can see, there is a semi truck dangling from the bridge very precariously. There is a rescue effort underway to get the driver or however many people are in the truck out of the truck. This is like a scene out of the Final Destination movie. Let me move around over here. This is the Louisville side right here. You can see the KFC Yum Center. So the truck was going across the bridge towards Indiana and somehow went over into oncoming traffic and went off the bridge. I've looked at the news reports, but there is no information on what happened, what caused this to happen. And I can only imagine what the driver and people possibly inside of the truck are going through, staring down at the muddy Ohio River from afar like that. So this is unfolding at the minute. There's a rescue boat down there. The traffic has been blocked off to the bridge. There's emergency crews on the bridge. So hopefully everything turns out all right. Pray for the people inside this truck that they make it out okay, unscathed, uninjured. And that's what's happening right now in downtown Louisville. Coming to you from the 2nd Street Bridge. It's your random pal.
And if you never ran to miss another random car video,
remember, ring that bell. Ring that bell.